Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to archive a page in Notion. So let's get started. To archive a page in Notion, you can follow these steps. Open the page you want to archive in Notion. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Note that deleting a page in Notion doesn't permanently delete it immediately. Instead, it moves the page to the trash, similar to archives. After deleting the page, you can access the trash by clicking on the trash icon, usually located in the bottom part of the sidebar. In the trash, you will see a list of deleted pages. Locate the page you want to restore. Click on the three dots next to the page you want to restore and choose Restore. Note that restoring the page brings it back to your workspace. If you want to permanently delete a page from the trash, go to the trash. Click on the three dots next to the page you want to permanently delete. Choose Delete Permanently. This will permanently remove the page from your Notion workspace, and it won't be recoverable. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.